Do you want to know how to obtain the best mortgage rate? Are you looking for a mortgage loan? Do you want to be approved without any problems? Do you want the best rate on the market? It's an important moment for you, and we know what you're going through because we went through the same thing. Here are a list of 7 tips coming from real experts about mortgages. How did they become experts? They are the #1 team at Multi-Prêts. It's Multi-Prêts MR, and here are the reasons why you can trust them. They have 30 years of experience in mortgages. They prepare more than 3,000 files of mortgages per year. This represents a volume of $275 million in loans per year that they negotiate for their clients. We're really talking about a team which is specialized to obtain the best conditions of loans, including the best rate, because you will learn today that it's not only about the rate. Listen to these tips which can save you thousands of dollars in interest. The first tip that we can give you is to avoid the traps since they are often ignored. Everyone is talking about the rate, but the traps are often conditions surrounding the loan, like your global financial portrait, your strategy surrounding the loan, the nature of your debts, how your profile is built in the file, which type of institution is good for you, the lender's criteria, etc. How can you avoid the traps? Either you become a mortgage expert with years of work and practice, or you become an expert with finding a reliable specialist who will protect you from all these traps. You know, we are not the only ones to handle this question, but the important thing is to work with an expert and be careful. An expert is not an employee of a big institution which is trained to be a generalist, to open up credit lines, to fill out insurance forms, mutual funds, mortgages, pension plans, new debit cards, etc. You see what I mean? Mortgage, it's complex, and that justifies a career governed by a professional order. So you might be thinking, yes, I want an expert, but at what price? You will soon learn that there is no cost, absolutely none, because a mortgage broker is paid only if your file is accepted by the lender, and he receives a commission that will be given away by the lender. But the mortgage broker earns his living with a reputation based on satisfied customers. He's your partner, and not a salesman that would push for a specific product. He must accompany you in your success. His success depends on your success. Here's the second tip. Join with a group of buyers for the best rate. Do you know the force of numbers? Will a music store charge you the same price for one guitar, or would they give you a discount for buying 1,000,000 guitars? Our banner places $275 million per year in mortgages. By doing business with us, you also benefit from the force of a major group of buyers. It's easier to negotiate this way than if you were to go alone against the financial institution. Benefit from our efforts and obtain a better rate. The third tip is several institutions in competition. You understood correctly. Do not fall into the trap of visiting only one institution. It is wrong to believe the combination of a car loan or several products with the same institution will guarantee you the best rate. In fact, as a consumer, it is preferable to keep your options open and not to be satisfied with only one offer. Isn't this logical? Do you know how one finds the best rate according to his situation? The best way is to know which institution wishes to acquire your type of customers at which time. In this way, you present your file to the best lender, and it's not always your present institution. Find the fitted lender for you to avoid any problems and obtain the best rate. It's complicated. The fourth tip is to save time with the help of your practical ally. Instead of wasting your time visiting each institution, you can trust your broker to do this work for you. You have a professional doing the work in your place by knowing all the conditions of the lenders, and it will save you a lot of time. A mortgage broker is trained and is a member of the Organization of Auto Regulation of the Real Estate Agents of Quebec, the OACIQ. They are qualified and know how to find the information. The best part is that it's free. Go directly to the right answer without wasting any time and obtain the best rate with a file prepared by a professional. The fifth tip is to stop searching for a rate and start searching for the best conditions surrounding your loan. It's different. A mortgage file touches a lot of different questions like your Beacon score, your credit cards, your RRSPs and home buying plan, your line of credit, taxes, CMHC, real estate agent, monthly fees, surcharge, bank accounts, fiscal questions, etc. An excellent mortgage broker will draw up the complete situation of your portrait and will accompany you in this journey. A good file will increase your chance to be accepted and to obtain the best rate. Too many people forget important information concerning their financial portrait and get a refusal by the lender. We recommend that you forget about the posted rate and benefit from a complete strategy for the best conditions surrounding the loan. The sixth tip is to have your calculations verified by an expert before submitting your file. If you wish to consult an expert from Multi-Prêts MR, it's preferable to come and visit us before you submit a file. No matter the lender or the situation, our expert will verify that your calculations are good according to the selected lender. Many files are refused because of a bad calculation strategy. Don't make the same mistake. The seventh tip is not to believe everything you hear. How many myths circulate in Quebec concerning the mortgage industry? Do you know that the mortgage world and the economy have changed a lot lately? And here are some myths. Myth number 1, a mortgage broker charges fees and can increase the rate. False. Myth number 2, if my financial institution knows me, I will get the best rate. Also false. Myth number 3, while following the rate regularly, I will find the best moment to submit my file. False. Myth number 4, all alone against an institution, I have the same chances of success as a group of lenders which places hundreds of millions each year. Again, false. We could continue, but we thought of offering you 2 gifts. You can receive a detailed copy of the 7 tips in an ebook by entering your email here, and you will have your copy in a few seconds. Also, we'd like to offer you a professional consultation, and it's free. You can ask your questions over the telephone or come to one of our offices and benefit from the knowledge of a dedicated expert that will work for you free of charge. We invite you to share this video with your friends and to visit our testimony page to see what our customers think of the quality of our service. We wish you many happy moments in your new home. It will be our pleasure to help you avoid any problems and obtain the best conditions surrounding your loan. It will be our pleasure to honor your confidence with heart and sincerity. Think about it. Your mortgage file is very serious and deserves the attention of an expert. It will be a pleasure to work for you, and we can't wait to be able to have you among our satisfied customers.